To create the story, let's go ahead and click here to add a new section, and this time we want it to be a reveal section, which is described as full screen images that transition as you scroll. Click on it to add it to our story, and let's call it Story. And click here to add it to the navigation bar. This is the default image, and as you scroll down, the image changes from black and white to partially colored and then to a fully colored image. Let's see how this is set up. Click on this button to edit the background media, which will open this panel on the right. These are the three images used in this section: the black and white one, the partially colored image, and the fully colored version. And you can reorder them by dragging one of these icons on the left of the thumbnails. Now between the thumbnails, you'll see the image transition icon. And here you can control how the first image transitions into the second image. You can set it to none, so it appears immediately without any transition. You can set it to fade, swipe down, up, left, or right. Let's remove all these images by clicking here on the Delete All button. And now you can drag and drop your own images right here on this box. These two images are 2560 by 1440 pixels, perfect for widescreens. To add another version for tall screens, hover the cursor over the thumbnail of the first image and click Edit Media. And here you can drag a 1080 by 1920 pixels version of it on the right hand side. Click Save Changes and do the same thing for the second image. Click on it, drag and drop, and save. Click on this box and choose the transition you want. I'll set it to fade, and here I can control the speed of the transition. I'll leave it in the middle and then click Done. So now if you click here to preview the page and click on Story in the navigation bar, you can scroll down and see what the transition looks like. To preview the page on mobile, let's close this tab and click on the arrow next to the preview button, and then choose the device and the orientation. I'll choose Phone Portrait, navigate to the story, and then scroll down to reveal the next image. Click here to return to the editor. And in the next video, we're gonna add some text to this section.